Another controller repair video from Fast Tech. In this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the L2 and R2 trigger buttons on a PS4 DualShock 4 controller. If you play a lot of first-person shooters like I do, it's easy to break the L2 R2 buttons because you use them a lot. And mostly the plastic breaks or the spring comes off. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix that today. All the tools you need for this job, including the screwdrivers and the triggers, we sell them on our website at www.fasttech.ca or also fasttechstore.com. So do check us out. Let's get started. These triggers break quite frequently, especially on the older generation controllers. So if you have an older PS4 and an older PS4 controller, these triggers are more likely to break. Like the plastic breaks in them sometimes, and the mechanism breaks. Or the spring comes off, and then the triggers are not as tight as they once were, or they just stop working at all, or they start doing stuff on their own. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace these triggers. We sell all the parts that you need, including the triggers and the screwdriver you need to disassemble this, on our website at www.fasttech.ca, or you can also visit us at fasttechstore.com. So we're going to flip the controller over, and there's going to be 4 screws at the back here. We're going to take these out. Okay, once the screws are out, we're gonna flip the controller over, okay, and we're gonna separate the front from the back, like so, okay. We're just gonna pull, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna try to have these triggers not come out. In most cases they will. I guess this time they didn't, so that's good. Once the back is separated, you're gonna see this ribbon cable here. You're gonna pull it out, and then now the back piece is totally separated. Okay, so now we have access to the triggers, and what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna pull on them like so, and they're just gonna come out. And on the older models, the spring attaches to the trigger like so, okay? And so the spring goes in on this little plastic tab here, like that. That's the L2 button. Now I'm gonna take the R2 out. I'm going to grab it from the sides and then just pull, and it'll come out. Now these ones are not broken, guys, but normally if these triggers are broken, these plastic tabs right here would be broken off, and then the spring would just be sitting here. But these ones look good. They don't look broken. So I'm basically doing this just to demonstrate it to you guys. But normally if they were broken, these plastic tabs right here would be broken off, or the trigger would be broken off in other places, but it's not. So we're going to put these triggers back in. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the spring in this spring socket here. That's actually a very thin little crack in the plastic that you have to put the spring in. If you don't do this right, your trigger's not going to feel good. Click. You're gonna want to test it. Looks like it works. Like that. Okay. And again, guys, we sell the triggers on our website. I'm gonna put a link in the description box. We sell all other PS4 controller parts. So now that we have the triggers in, we're gonna put the ribbon cable in. The side with the blue plastic faces outwards, faces this way. And put the back plate on. Triggers go in first, or the side with the triggers. Okay, once the triggers are in, through like that, I'm gonna flip it over. And we're gonna push these tabs right here. These are the sockets where the screws go in. And make sure everything clicks in. Flip it over, put the screws back in, and we're pretty much done. Once the final screw is in, we're done. And triggers work. And that's that. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video if you liked it. And don't forget to check out our website at www.fasttech.ca if you need any parts. Also, you can visit us at fasttechstore.com if you need any PS4 controller parts or console parts or anything in between. Sell the tools and everything else that you need on our website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button. And don't forget to like our videos and comment on them if you have any questions. Check us out at www.fasttech.ca or fasttechstore.com if you need any parts, tools, or any other console or electronic related items at www.fasttech.ca, and we'll catch you in the next one.